Okay guys, let's see now Polofields. See what they have to offer. See that Waterfall is actually growing very quickly. Polofields actually is in front of one big shopping center, open air ones. I'll show you guys on the video also. Yo, Polofields, let's do it. See the entrance. Okay, oh shit. Visitors. Okay guys, let's see this. Okay guys, we are in. So I'm supposed to go to the left. So we're gonna see probably the lifestyle center. We're gonna show you guys everything, show house and blah blah blah. So you guys know. Okay, on show. So let's see if I can park here somewhere. We're going to see now the show house. So I'm just showing you guys now what you guys can see. Going down, so we're gonna see a little bit later the Polofields Lifestyle Center. You guys can see how amazing this place actually is, right? Very chill, I must say. So we're going to see number 187, the Polofields Village. And that's how we're going, guys. Hey guys, what's up? And there you go. This is what we guys going to see this first, the number 187. Okay, that's how it looks like from outside. So number 187 is the ones you guys can actually visit. Ah, I love stairs. Look at the view at the pool, eh? What do you guys think? Tell me down below. Now we're going from the right to the left. Okay guys, so it's basically the map. So Polofields are here, as you guys can see. It's basically Waterfall as it is. Okay, what are Polofields? And now we're going in. So remember, you guys can also visit this place yourselves. This is basically what they call the show house. I love actually what they did here with the mirror to make it like a more in-depth view into the house. This gives a little bit of the potential of what you guys can also find here at Waterfall. At least this one comes fully equipped with a fridge. Little that's it. Straightforward. There you go. Right, so where is the light inside of the bathroom? Nope. Just Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, it's a small little light. I think it helps. There you go, guys. Straightforward. I'm used to strong lights. I love what they did here with the frames. A small room, as you guys can see. With the wardrobes. Very nice. Of course, the other room. What they do with the Spider-Man and the Black Panther. Very nice. So, now. What you guys think? Tell me down below. David does this so you guys don't have to do it. It's one bathroom only. Especially if you guys want to do a braai. A little yard here. Okay guys, so that's how it looks when you get out of your room, of your house in here. Let me show you. Let's go in. So this is the 3rd floor. So this is the best view of Waterfall. Wow. Tell me what you guys want. But sorry, the South Africa that I live is actually a very progressive South Africa. And there you go, guys. You guys have a cool braai there. What you guys like more, the bottom one or the upstairs one? So basically standard. Okay. Nah, I love this apartment compared to the bottom one. Okay, and of course the room, the amazing wardrobe. I'm a guy, so I can live with a very simple life. Don't need to carry much stuff with me. Wow. Cool view, eh? So you guys literally wake up from bed. You guys open the curtains and say, wow, we are in Johannesburg. Okay, let's go to the next one. Remember guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to click on that join button and help me to finance this amazing adventure, which is showing South Africa to the world. You guys will help a lot so we can do this independently, as a family, as a community. Because I love every one of you guys. So don't forget, join button and let's support the cause. The Living in SA TV cause. Now imagine, of course. Let me just close the door. Tell me what you guys think also about the kitchen. No, I like this very much. Huh? Full equipped. And what you guys think down below, please. Because your comments also help me to know what you guys want me to do or to see or whatever. Now let's see the cool thing. So now we come here, we close the door, right? Like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. We close the door, right? We close the door and then we turn around and we see this amazing pool. Look, guys, look at that amazing pool. And I forgot to say that this video is going to blow up your mind. Calm, peaceful. I forgot to say, guys, that's also a little crash there for your kids, so you guys have everything in house. Okay, guys, so now we're going in. So they have a gym, pool, a restaurant also, Italian restaurant if I'm not incorrect, but we're gonna see it. Come on, my brother. Thank you so much, my man. Keep you informed. Okay, so let's go in. So that's the 5-star, the Polofields Lifestyle Center.
This is a spa.
Ah, you guys also have a spa.
Massage.
So you got a spa here. The camel. Ah, camel spa. Okay. Thank you so much. Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There you go. You see, the pool is there. The Polo Lounge. How's it, guys? How are you? Good, 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 good. Okay, so that's the spa. That's no. I think this is. Ah, the concierge. Okay, good. So they have a small. What do you call? Small grocery shop. How are you? Good, good. You guys can see it, right? So let's see now the rest. So that's the restaurant. Beautiful pool here. You guys can see the pool. So like I mentioned, the crash is there. You guys can see it. And this is how the beautiful pool looks like. Let me show you more. So this is also La Boqueria, which I think is probably an Italian restaurant, not sure. But I think it is. Yeah. There. Definitely, yeah. So that's the restaurant. Remember, this is just for residents. And we're gonna continue, we're going down the ramp. And of course, you guys also have a gym indoors. Osman, how are you? Good, good. So this is exactly the same style of gym that you guys literally have at forgotten now the name of it. The one with the big beach. Not Kikuyu. Ay, Muniaka. Now imagine now these guys are basically training here, and then they have this beautiful view from the lake and the pool also. Very nice. You guys can also train outside. Got a basketball court, place to do some calisthenics, and of course the yoga studio. Wow! Put my phone through here. So we got also this, and of course the amazing lake. So guys, tell me what you guys think down below, because this place is actually amazing. Okay, let's go back so you guys have an idea of every angle. It's also the football course, small park. There's also have like a chess board day. 187. So the house that we were seeing is that one day, if I'm not incorrect. Let me see. There you go, that one. I see this as a cool place to chill. Eat something if you get out of the gym. Really, really, really one of the best developments that I have seen from Baldwin in a long time. So look, it also has like some stuff here outside. Give it a try if you guys are around. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Or mini drone footage, right? That's where we are. And Polofields crossing is like the place next to where we are, the big open air mall.
New shopping center.
Huge. Almost forgot to show you guys the Polo Lounge. So the Polo Lounge looks like this. Very nice. And with a beautiful view for the pool. There you go. That's how it looks like. Let me show you guys the pool better. Wait. So. Okay guys, we're leaving now. Just want to show you guys outside the Polofields crossing, which you guys, in order to go to the supermarket, you guys literally need to go outside of the place. So the thing is there. Here we go guys, we're leaving now. I hope you guys enjoy the video and I will see you in the next Living NSA TV video. Okay guys, I want to take this time now just to show you Polofields crossing. That's the mall there, right? You guys can see everything here. So if you guys live in Polofield or Waterfall or whatever, you guys can come literally here. Okay guys, so that's Polofields crossing from another angle. We're going now to Kikuyu. Yeah, so that's Polofields.